Hey everyone, welcome to this course. In today's session, we are going to uncover a very important feature provided by AWS. So let's get started with that. So if you come into Amazon Bedrock and if you go into build, there is this feature available which calls as a data automation. Let's click on that and understand real quick that what data automation is about. So Bedrock Data Automation enable you to automate the generation of valuable insight from unstructured multimodal content such as document, image, video, audio to build generative AI and other data-driven applications. Simple. So what it do is basically if you throw any document, audio, video or an image, in that case, this pipeline is automatically going to extract all the meaningful information out of the document, image, video and any other piece and provide that to you without much of the coding needed. So let's deep dive into that and understand real quick. It also called as in the intelligent processing layer for generative AI workflow. Okay, so let's get started and understand that. BDA, which is Bedrock Data Automation, is not just the chat layer, it is the core processing layer, turning unstructured media into an actionable structured data. Now let's understand the core capability of it. So we can use the multimodal parsing, meaning process a wide range of formats seamlessly, including complex PDF, images, audio files, and video recordings as well. Now what happens next? Model driven logic. We can apply the foundation model for dynamic classification and entity extraction without requiring rigid manual templates. So you can basically extract the information without much hassle and get whatever you need from that text. That is a fully managed architecture that automatically scales to handle high volume asynchronous batch job as well. So if you have a high load application where you are constantly throwing audio, video, images or any document through this pipeline, it is able to scale automatically and handle your batch processing with huge amount of data as well. Now how this project actually works. So there are predefined templates given from AWS BDA itself. So you can use those predefined templates to extract the information from your document, or you can customly create a blueprint to define a tailored extraction schema. So if you have any custom processing window or use case, you can implement that as well. So there are two options available as I speak. The very first is availability of the user defined standard output templates, and then the second one is the custom one which you can build on top of it according to your use case. Now let's quickly check which kind of an use cases you can cover with using this use case so that you can have very clear visibility of how you can use this sort of pipeline and feature. So financial and legal automation, where automate data entry by extracting vendor data and line item directly into the structured ERP system for raw invoices. You can use this pipeline and this feature for such a scenarios. Compliance and control analytics, where you can review lengthy regular documents at scale to extract specific clause, compliance, obligations and risk. And also you can use this for reg pipeline integration, where pre-processed vast unstructured data to generate clean structured JSON before ingesting it into the knowledge base. So there are wide variety of use cases which you can suffice using this feature, where there is a very heavy processing involved in terms of extracting the information out of document, PDF, audio or video. This is the feature on which you should rely on. This is it for the theory session of the BDA, which is Bedrock Data Automation. In the next one, we are going to quickly get our hands dirty with the practical session on how to configure and use this feature. Thank you so much for joining me here. I'll see you in the next one.